I recently did some research for what was going to be an interesting project. Unfortunately, the project fell through, so I never finished the research I started. But the results were interesting enough that I wanted to share what I found. The goal was not just object detection, but to track those objects as they moved around in a video. To make things slightly more difficult, the objects to track were clear, just like the glass dish in which they were located. This is what made the project interesting to me. The neural network you see here is YOLOv4-tiny at 672 by 384. In hindsight, I probably could have trained a smaller neural network and obtained the same or similar results. But I initially wasn't certain how well DarkNet YOLO would perform detecting clear objects in a clear container, which is what led me to do these tests. As you can see, DarkNet YOLO does a great job. The video is more than just DarkNet YOLO. I also had to write some C++ code to consume the output from the YOLOv4-tiny neural network and perform the necessary object tracking. This was done using C++17 and DarkHelp. For those of you unfamiliar with it, DarkHelp is the open source C++ library which greatly simplifies the use of DarkNet YOLO neural networks from within any C++ application. The output from DarkHelp and the neural network is processed in C++, and the output video is written out using the standard OpenCV video writer class. Setting up the neural network project, as well as all the object annotations and image augmentation prior to training, was done using DarkMark on Ubuntu Linux. Note that as of February 2023, DarkMark now builds and runs in Windows as well as Linux. I'll have to do another video about that in the future. In the meantime, please join the DarkNet YOLO Discord if you want to chat about object detection, YOLO, DarkNet, DarkHelp, or DarkMark. The link is in the video description below.